Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to borrow money on Opay app. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So to borrow money on your Opay app, you can access the merchant loan feature. So this involves updating your Opay app to the latest version, then navigating to the merchant loan section. So once you have updated your Opay app, you can simply access to your merchant loan feature that is on the Opay's homepage. So once you're here, you need to simply review the terms. Here you need to carefully review and agree to all the terms and conditions of the merchant loan before proceeding. After this is done, you need to now simply set the credit limit. This means there is an option to determine the loan amount you want to apply for and simply choose the specific type of loan you want to apply for. That is basically your short-term or long-term loan. After this is done, you need to input your OTP and then complete your application by following the on-screen instructions. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.